Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make a restaurant menu in Canva. I will also be showing you how to create a QR code for your restaurant menu. So the first thing you want to do once on Canva, you're going to create an account if you don't have one already. You can do this for completely free. After you have created your account, you're going to tap on the search bar, and from there, all I want you to do is simply type in restaurant, and you're going to select restaurant menu. After selecting restaurant menu, from here you can see there are over 20,000 different templates that you can choose from. So you're going to scroll down until you see a template of your liking. You can select it. Now let's say, for example, the template that I would like to use is this one. All I would need to do is tap on the template, then select customize this template. After you have done that, from here you can start making your changes. So for example, if you would like to change the pictures, you could go over to the left hand menu option and tap on uploads. Then from there you could upload an image. For this example, I'm going to tap on elements, and I'm going to be using one of the copyright free images. So I'm just going to type in, for example, food. Then I'll tap on enter. After I've done that, you can see the different photos, and I'm just going to tap on see all. Then from there, I'm just going to drag and place this image, as you can see right there, and I could also change this image. Another thing that I would recommend you do, in the bottom right hand corner, right where you see 43%, I would recommend that you pull the slider to the right to increase the zoom. So this would give you a better view of the menu while you're editing it. Now you can tap on each section, for example, food menu 1, and I could change this right here. So for example, I could change this to, let's say, for example, chicken. So I could type in chicken right here. Then after you have typed in that, you could go across and you could change the price. Then you could go down further, and from here you could add in something else, and you can continue editing it right down the line. So you can edit all of these options. Once you're finished editing it and it is to your liking, you can also change the restaurant name in the top left hand corner, and you could also change the logo by tapping on the current logo and uploading your own logo. Once everything is to your liking, you will tap on share in the top right hand corner. Now you're going to tap on download. Then you can simply select download right here. If you would like to change the format, you can tap where you see file type. So you could tap right there and you could change the file type. Normally I would change it to PNG. So after changing it to PNG, I'm going to tap on download. Now that you have downloaded your restaurant menu, as you can see right here, you'll be able to share it so you can see how the menu looks. So you can print the menu and you can share it and so on. Now let's go back. What I would recommend you do is open a new tab, and you're going to go on to me-qr.com. And this is where you'll be able to create your QR code for your restaurant menu. Once on this page, you're going to scroll down, and if you had downloaded it as a PDF, all you will need to do is select PDF right here, and then you will be able to upload the PDF and you could create your QR code. If you had downloaded as PNG, a picture, an image better yet, you can tap on image, then you could tap on upload image. Then from there we can select it, then tap on open. After you have done that, you can see it right there, and you're going to simply, you can choose a category if you want, or you can leave it as is. I leave mine as is, and I'm going to tap on customize and download. After you have selected customize and download, you'll be redirected to this page. On this page, you can choose the template that you would like to use. So you can see different options that you can choose from. If we were to tap on the plus 45, you can see there are numerous options that you can choose from. Typically, I would just choose this option, scan me. You can scroll down and you could choose a frame. You can choose numerous different frames. You can change the background and so on. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on download QR code. Now that you have downloaded your QR code, you'll be able to share it with others so that they can quickly scan the QR code, and from there they'll get access to your menu. So you can see the QR code right there. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative on how to create a restaurant menu, and also how to create a QR code for your restaurant menu. Thanks for watching.